Web application. You can see the web application connecting from your favorite browser, Chrome, Edge, or any other, to your device. If you want more information about how to connect, go to the ending chapter, First Steps. If you don't have any device with you, you can use our online simulator. Access to vida.ecler.com. In a real device, you will have to log in as an administrator to access to the web application. Login is admin and the password is admin as well. In the online simulator, simply click on Login. You will find the permanent app bar in the top, where you can see the following items. The first button to collapse or expand the main menu. Next, we see a drop-down box for the management of presets. In the center, the device name. By default, it will be VIDA-the model, 24Q in this case, dash last 4 digits of the MAC address, 0ACB in this example. You will find this name in a label in the chassis of the device as well. The right block of tools starts with the sleep mode monitoring, activated in orange or deactivated in gray. Next to it, there is the panic button that mutes all outputs. After that, there are the undo and redo buttons, the full screen mode, and the help menu. The last button opens the app menu where you can choose from zoom, language, and activate a visualization of the player in the bottom of the window, or you can just log out. Being the status menu, you will find the status of the front panel knobs, LEDs, GPIs, and GPOs. In the online version, you will be able to choose the impedance in this window. This doesn't exist when connecting to a real device, as we can only change the impedance mode via hardware with the switches that are in the back panel for safety reasons. If you click on the arrow in the right side, you will be able to see the health status of the device and its temperature, the network information, IP addresses, internet connection, Ecler cloud synchronization, etc. The device information with model, firmware version, and time. Energy and consumption information. And a power button that can force the device to sleep or wake up. Below, you will find two sections of signal monitoring that can show any of the selections indicated. In the example, sources and amplified outputs. Move on to the next chapter to know more about the audio outputs.